Episode 5, Multiplication of Fractions and Mixed Numbers. Binubuo ito ng dalawang bahagi. Ang Part 1, ang fraction and whole number, and Part 2, fractions. Example number 1, what is the product of 1/2 and 2? So we have here the word product, meaning our operation is multiplication. So 1/2 times 2 equals 1/2. So kinopya natin yung 1/2 times yung 2, lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1. Opo, bawat whole number ay lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1. So, equals, multiply the numerators. So, 1 times 2 equals 2. Then, multiply the denominators. 2 times 1 equals 2. So, we already know na yung 2 halves ay equal to 1. So, that is our final answer. Example number 2. What is 3/4 of 5? So again, we have the word of here. So ibig sabihin, our operation is multiplication. Yes, if we have the word of, that stands for multiplication. So 3/4 times 5 equals 3/4 times, then yung 5 ang numerator, then we will add 1 as the denominator. So proceed po tayo. So, 3 times 5. Multiply lang natin yung numerators equals 15. Then, the denominators, we will multiply. 4 times 1 equals 4. Now, we have here our answer, which is an improper fraction. So, we have already discussed this. So, let us show how are we going to transform or rename it into mixed number. So 15 divided by 4 equals 3, remainder 3. Then yung 3 is our whole number, so equals 3. Then the remainder will be our numerator. Then the denominator will just be copied, so we have 4. So we have 3 and 3/4 as the final answer. Have part 2, fractions. Example number 1, what is the product of 1/5 and 2/4? So we have here again the word product, meaning we have multiplication as our operation. So we have 1/5 times 2/4. So again, just like what we did, we have to multiply first the numerators. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then the denominators. 5 times 4 equals 20. So as we can see, we can still simplify to 20ths. So we will divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So we have 2 halves. So the answer is 1/10. So that is our final answer. Example number 2, multiply 3/5, 1/2, and 1/4. So we have here 3 fractions. So what are we going to do? So we have multiply. So the operation is multiplication. So 3/5 times 1/2 times 1/4. So the process is the same. We will just multiply all the numerators. So 3 times 1 times 1 equals 3. Then 5 times 2 times 4 equals 40. So that is our final answer. So yun lang. Thank you and God bless.